everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these jingle bells using chestnuts. If you haven't been following my channel, this is part of my 2025 Christmas countdown. This year I'm featuring easy and inexpensive projects using materials commonly found in nature. Most of them can be completed in around an hour or less and are very beginner friendly. So if you'd like to try this craft or just want to watch it come together, stay with me and I'll guide you through the process. These are the supplies I used. Chestnuts, I would say anywhere between 6 and a dozen would do. Twine, hot glue, paint. I ended up using white and silver, but you can use any colors you'd like. Sharpies or paint pens in black. And you're also going to need some type of topper for each chestnut. I have these mini bells from Dollar Tree. I just plucked the tops off and glued them to my chestnuts. You might even recycle the hanging hardware hoops from Ornaments. To get started, I used a good amount of hot glue to set each top. Some of them were a little sloppy, so before they dried completely, I took my nail and scraped off the excess. Repeat until all of them are finished. Next, take white paint and lightly brush it on the sides of each chestnut. I used paper clips to aid in holding onto them, and they were also helpful in hanging the bells while the paint dried. Then I took my black paint pens and carefully drew the slits on the underside of each to look like jingle bells. They don't have to be perfect, and you will develop your own method as you go along. It might be helpful to draw an X, then add little circles at the end of each. I thought the white was a little too streaky looking, so I took silver paint and accented each bell to fill in the light areas. I was very careful to not go over top of where I just drew the black X's. You might also want to add a little glitter at this point. After everything was dry, I took twine and tied double knots to the tops with a dab of hot glue to keep them from coming undone. Give yourself a little extra twine on the other end for the next part. Then I picked up the group and adjusted the lengths so that they looked evenly spaced. This was a little bit difficult to film from overhead. After I was happy with the bells, I tied a knot. You can do whatever you'd like with the excess. I divided and braided mine, and then I added a loop at the end so I could hang it, and then tied on a red velvet bow for an accent. Overall, I think they look pretty realistic, and you could hang them on a hook or add them to any craft project you like, or even put them on top of a gift. You might even paint them different colors or customize them however you'd like. Let me know in the comments if you intend to try today's craft, and if so, how would you customize it to fit your decor? I still have a few days left in the countdown, so make sure you subscribe to see the remainder of the projects. You can also find me. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. As always, I thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.